Hi. Well, today I am going to show you how to disassemble one of these without getting all kinds of cracks and all that or damaging it whatsoever. This one's already been crashed. The legs are all toast. So I'm going to put a new bottom on here. New to it. So I plan on doing a lot of tutorials here. I work in these things all the time, so I'm going to put some videos up there so everybody else can see what's going on. I've already rebuilt this camera today, so now I'm just going to take this thing apart without damaging it. So first thing to do is make sure there's no screws laying around, because these motors they have magnets in them, so they will suck up screws. Alright, so the first thing I do is get rid of the lights. A couple of easy ways to do that. You can just put a flat screwdriver on these, they just push out. If it doesn't just push out, just tap it. See? That one came out. Put that over there for now. And while I'm doing this, see if I can get you a good view on this. Yeah, okay, here we go. So there's a little notch right there. You take a small screwdriver, put it in, pry it up. Usually takes 2 pries. Grab your little paper there. I usually stick it on there so I don't lose it. So we're going to repeat that 4 times. This one's pretty tough, but I get it. So not a lot to taking these apart, but it's better if you know what's going on with them, so you don't have to, chip it all up and use screwdrivers and stuff to pry it apart, because you don't really need to do that. Still got my Thanksgiving tablecloth on here. Hey, so I've got a ton of Phantom parts. What I do primarily is just work on a lot of Phantom stuff, Phantom 3s and all that. So I'm going to put a link to my website down there. Check it out. You might like the site. Also, I have pretty good deals going there most of the time. Excuse me, guys, I gotta shut this off. Alright, I'm back. Okay. This little yaw motor tool I made, I'll tell you about that in another video when I do a camera. Yeah. Alright. We don't want to come out right now, so I'm going to worry about them. You need like a number 8 Torx or a 8mm Allen, like that. I would suggest you have both of them anyway. And 6mm also. So get these apart real quick. Now all I'm doing is 3 screws per motor. You can see right there. Just taking these off. So you're going to have 3 screws per motor. You have 8 screws in the body and 2 small screws on the inside of the body that I will show you. And once you get all this done, I'm going to show you how to separate this without you know, tearing it up. These are also handy tools to have, a little set of tweezers. I like the curve type, works real well. So that one didn't want to come out with the number 8 Torx, so that's why this 8mm comes in handy. Almost there, guys. You're also going to need a double-aught Phillips, real small Phillips like this one, Home Depot, whatever. But try and get good ones because that'll save you a lot of aggravation. I'm on my last motor here. Okay, so I got all those out. I still got a couple of these locks in. They're being a little stubborn, but I usually use a big screwdriver for that. Don't have one in front of me, but let me show you about the inside right here. So there's a screw right here. If you can see that, it's on the white plastic part right here, part of the lower body. And there's one on the other side. Of course, you're going to have to take these straps off so you can disconnect the antennas and the camera. I've already done my camera, but this thing has little microscopic screws. They're super short, super small, so kind of good to have a little magnet around. Whoops. Yeah, took out the wrong screw. See if I can get one of these screws out for you. Now you can see right on the end there, little tiny screw. 2 of those. You don't want to lose those because they're hard to replace. Here's a metal strap. This locks all the antenna down. It also